little plus little equals the big. So if we're looking at this very first one, we could say the big minus the little, and you could kind of even not even do all that. Something plus 10 is going to give me 14. What is that something? 4. Okay. Or you could say little plus little equals big. Okay. So 10 plus 14 is going to, or 10 plus, why do we have a paper? Okay. Okay, whereas number 3, okay, for some of you guys it might be a little bit harder to figure out, just like something plus 9 is 20. Okay, you can do the flip side of that and say 20 minus 9 on your calculator is 11. Okay, and then we move into the ones like we did yesterday. Okay. And the first two I'm going to do definitely slower, and then after that we'll pick up the pace. Okay, so we did little plus the other little one gave us the big one. What is our first little? What was our first little one? Let's go. You guys are make this take all day. Jackson, get off your iPad. You know better than that. Put it up all the way. Close it up. I don't want to see it.
What's the what? 2x minus 3.
Yeah, that's okay. The other one's going to be the second one, okay, which is going to be that other little one, okay? So 2x minus 3. Okay, what's going to be our big? 7. Okay, and for people who were not here yesterday, what is our next step? What do we do next? Combine what?
Numbers and letters.
The numbers and letters, so 2 and 2, right? This has a letter and this has a letter, so 2 plus 2 is going to be 4x. Okay, and then we can also combine what? The numbers, which is 6 and 3. Okay, and then definitely with negatives, use your calculator. Okay, so that's going to give you a negative 9 equals 7. Okay, and then what needs moved?
Minus 9.
The 9, okay? Why the 9 first? It's not just because I can ask my 9-year-old, 8-year-old, and she's like, I don't know. That's just the one I picked, right? Somewhere in your brain, why did we move the 9 first? Because once we start adding stuff in there, you have to understand the concept of why we're doing the 9 first. Otherwise, what happens with like super multi-sets, then you guys don't know what the heck you're doing, okay? So you cannot divide until all your adding and subtracting is done. And what? This is going to get divided, okay? You can never ever divide until all your adding and subtracting is done. And so this is subtraction, so we need to do addition in order to move it. Okay, 7 plus 9 is what? 16. And then our last step is to do what? Divide by 4. Okay, if we look at 7, okay, what's going to be my first little? X plus 2. What's my second little? X plus 5. And then my big is going to be that 13. Okay, what can we combine? The X. What number is in front of the X? A 1. Okay, if there's nothing there, it's a 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is going to give me 2 for the X's. And then I can also combine what? The 2 and the 5, which is going to give me a 7. Okay, and then what needs done? Minus what? 7. What is 13 minus 7? 6. Somebody agree? Okay, and then our last step is to do what? I'll get off the phone, please. Divide by 2. is gonna be 3. You gonna make it, bud? Go then. You saying I'm boring?
No.
You tired? I know. We'll be done shortly, okay? And then you can take a nap. But if I had to guess, by the time it's nap time, then all of a sudden you guys aren't tired no more. Imagine that. Okay, number 9, we can go ahead and write these out, and we're gonna say this first one plus this one. Okay, so x plus 11 plus x plus 9 equals 12. Okay, and then I can go ahead and put a 1 where? In front of the x's, okay? And then we can combine our x's. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is going to be 2x. 11 plus 9 is going to be what? 20. Good. Equals 12. Then what needs done? Minus 20. Oh, sorry, I scrolled a lot. And minus 20. What is 12 minus 20? Huh? Negative 8. Somebody agree? If you're trusting Jadrian's math, I wouldn't.
Yes.
It is negative 8?
Yep.
Okay. He got lucky. Okay, and then our last step is to do what? It's going to be divided. That's a 2. My fat finger touched it. So you're going to get x equals negative 4. Okay, 11. It's going to be 2x minus 10 plus 2x minus 8 equals 14. Okay, and we can combine what? 2 and 2. It's going to give me 4x. Then what? 10 and 8. It's going to be what? What's negative 10 minus 8? Negative 18. Then what? What needs done next? Huh? Plus 18. We got 4x equals, what is 14 plus 18?
32.
32, somebody agree with that?
Just calculated it wrong.
People type wrong all the time. Okay, and then our last step is to always do what? Divide. So we get x equals 8. Nathan, come on, bud, we got 2 more. I know. Oh, look, you see all of them.
Hey, Ohio.
I know, I'm getting ready to do it if you want to wait for me. I got one more before that one, though. Oh, no, I don't. Okay, 13. What's going to be my first little one? What's my first little one? Yes, you do. 2x minus 2. Oh, shoot, I wrote one. Minus 2. Plus, what's my other little one? 2x equals 14. Then what needs done? Someone will shout it out at once. What else needs done?
Combine numbers.
Combine these twos, give me 4x. And then what?
Just put the 2 down, -2 down, because there's no other number.
There's no other number to combine this guy with, so we're just gonna drop him back down, okay? Good job, Aiden. Okay, equals 14. Then what, Jason?
Plus 2.
Plus 2, good. So I got 4x is gonna equal what? 16, good. And then we divide by 4. X equals 4, good. That's not right. Oh, what do you do, 4 and 4?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Oh, there ain't even no one up there. Okay, last one, 15. We're gonna say 7 plus x plus x plus 11 equals 12. What's gonna be our next step?
What? Oh.
The what?
My nexus.
Yep, combine the x's, okay? And I'm gonna put a 1 in front of these. Okay, so 1 and 1 is gonna be 2x. What else can I combine? The numbers. Okay, doesn't matter where I put the number. Can I put the, so what are you gonna get, 18? Can I say 18 over here? Yeah, but what needs to go right here then? What kind of sign? A plus. Okay, if there's no sign there, you gotta put a plus. Okay, or you could say 2x plus 18. It doesn't matter. Okay? And then we got equals 12. I don't know what the heck I was writing. Okay, what's our next step gonna be? Minus 18. Okay, and same thing here. So there's no sign in front of this 18. That's okay. If there's no sign there, it's just given that it's a positive. Okay, so we say minus 18, minus 18. I'm gonna get 2x equals, what is 12 minus 18? Negative 6. Somebody agree with that? Negative 6. And then we're going to divide by 2. Okay, you guys have 8 to do. Get yours done and then put in the box.